Welcome to today's current affairs, 15th March 2026. Let us discuss two important topics, Blue Water Navy and P8I ADC 150. And don't forget to answer the quiz at the end of the video. Link will be given in the description. Blue Water Navy is an important topic in defense and maritime security. First, let us understand what exactly is a Blue Water Navy strategy. It is a navy that has a capability to operate in deep oceans far away from the country's coastline for a long period of time. It can travel across oceans, conduct military operations, and protect the national interests. If you see the countries that have strong blue water navies, United States, China, United Kingdom, and India. Now let us understand different types of navies. First, brown water navy. This type of navy operates mainly in rivers and coastal areas and has limited range. Second is a green water navy. This operate in regional seas near the country, but operations are still limited. Third one is blue water navy. This navy can operate across the world's oceans far from the home country. Now let us see why this blue water navy is important. One major reason is the protection of trade routes. Nearly 90% of the global trade happens through the sea routes. For India, most of the trade passes through the Indian Ocean. So protecting the sea routes is very important. Second one is the national security. A strong navy helps to protect the country from piracy, maritime terrorism, and rival naval expansion. Third reason is the strategic influence. Countries with powerful navies can maintain influence in the international waters and protect their overseas interests. Now let us see why this topic is in news. Recently, Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) and Indian Navy tested a new system called Air Droppable Container (ADC 150) from the Goa coast. And this technology allows aircraft to drop supplies to the ships which are operating far away in the ocean. It can deliver 150 kg payloads such as medical supplies and equipment to the ships at the sea. This development helps India support the ships that are operating at long distances from the coastline, which is necessary for maintaining a blue water navy capacities. India is also using an advanced surveillance aircraft like the Boeing P8I Poseidon to monitor activities in the Indian Ocean region. To strengthen its blue water capability, India has aircraft carriers like INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant, along with submarines and long range patrol aircraft. Boeing P8I Poseidon. It is a long range maritime patrol aircraft released the container while flying over the ocean so that it reaches the ships or the personnel below. Imagine a naval ship operating far away in the deep ocean. Sometimes it may urgently need spare parts, medical supplies, equipment, emergency materials. Instead of sending another ship, which may take many hours or even days, the Navy uses an aircraft. One such aircraft is Boeing P8I Poseidon. This aircraft flies over the sea and drops a special container using a parachute. The container safely lands in the water near the ship and the crew receives it. Recently, India tested a droppable container system for the P8I aircraft to deliver critical supplies to the ships operating in the ocean. This Boeing P8I Poseidon aircraft is multi-mission aircraft that performs several roles, like detecting enemy submarines, tracking ships and naval activities, maritime surveillance over large ocean areas, search and rescue missions, dropping equipment or supplies to the ships. It can stay in the air around 8 to 10 hours and monitor vast areas of the ocean. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please do answer the quiz and test yourself. Link is given in the description. Thank you.